Sydney doing something that might not work out too well for her. Okay, we're trying to go up the slide. See if physics works the opposite way. And Grandma's being too careful. Oh, she made it! Yay, Sydney! Yay, Sydney, yay! What are you doing over here, Hunter? Say hi, Hunter. Oh, Hannah. Sydney, you gonna slide down?
Yeah, but you get fire.
She's okay, Mom. Are you dancing?
Are you in jail? Is Sydney in jail? Oh.
What are you doing over there? There's your cousin. Wave at the camera. Say hi.
Say hi, Hunter. Here she goes.